Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Being 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And as you all know, this is the Bitcoin and breakfast show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you are just joining the show for the first time, you know what we do on this show. It's to discuss about the market, to talk about what is really going on in the crypto space. And I'm not gonna lie to you. Yesterday I told you guys, please and please stay away from Ethereum, and BTC is still a buy. And if you look at what is going on right now, BTC is still looking much like what I told you yesterday, that it's a buy. But the problem is we are not seeing that huge rally or good momentum since yesterday. But as you all know, there's nothing we can do. We just have to stick to what the chart is showing us. All right, my name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and breakfast show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. So let's quickly check what is going on. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do that. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell. But without wasting our time, let's dive right into the chart. Not much is really happening on the chart. If you look at the screen, you find out that it's still a buy and it's moving up gradually. I'm believing we're going to create a new all-time high, maybe around 96, 95. Then if I thought the market is going to drop down, then it's going to push down back. But for now, I'll say Bitcoin is still a buy. You can hold on to your position. Now let's check Ethereum. I told you guys Ethereum was a sell and we need to wait for another entry. And you can see we have a kind of structure. We have a pullback. Now we'll be waiting for Ethereum to break above 3,172. If we can break above 3,172 today, and by tomorrow maybe we're going to get a clear entry, or we'll wait for a pullback to around 3,080 for a perfect entry. But for Ethereum, it's still a sell. Please stay away from it. Let's take a look at Link quickly. Link, it's not a buy. Stay away from it. You can see it's still in the green candle that I put it. What about AAVE? AAVE, the same thing. Stay away from it. Excuse me. AAVE, stay away from it. Solana, I told you yesterday, Solana is looking nice, even though it has been broken out. Now we have a structure breaking down, and I said yesterday that we'll get back into Solana if the market dropped to this zone, and you can see perfectly play out as I predicted yesterday. You can see I draw this and I said we'll be waiting for it to jump into 138 zone, and you can see the 138 zone was activated, and that is why the market is moving up. Now let's put it there and change that into green. You can see, so that is perfect entry right there, and that's why the price is moving up. Let's take a look at BNB. BNB on the other hand is still a buy. Like I told you, no invalidation yet. It's still a buy. Possibly it's going to create a new all-time high as well before it will start pulling back. What about Litecoin? Litecoin yesterday I told you it's a sell, and it's still a sell right now. You can see it's in red, so you can stay away from it. Let's take a look at SUI. SUI is not a buy yet. Forget about this move we were seeing. we need it to drop to $1, at least $1 before we can get into sweep. But remember, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. Make sure you do your own research and trade with the money you can afford to lose. And also, if you take a look at what is going on with AVAX, you see AVAX as well touch our buying zone and it's been moving up. And I told you yesterday, if you're not in the buy yet and you're thinking maybe the market will move before you get into the market, you might as well wait, let it come back into the zone that is below $10, then you can move ahead. Let's take a look at ADA. Stay away from it, even though it's a buy. Yeah, it's a buy, but I have a feeling maybe it's going to push that into the buying zone as well. But if you're still holding on to the buy, you can do that. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP, I told you yesterday, is not a buy and it's still in red. It's still in red, so I feel like you need to leave XRP and not do anything about it. Let's take a look at Ton Network, and if you look at Ton Network, you see that Ton Network is not a buy yet. Stay away from it. Estadex, no. Pump.fun, yes, Pump.fun is not a buy now, because if you look at this invalidation, we have a structure. No, it's not a buy here because this is the structure. So we just need to wait for Pump.fun. Let's take a look at Ondo. Ondo is a buy, and you can see we have the invalidation there because it dropped into it. So we need to wait. Let's wait for Ondo to see what is going to happen. Actually, the buy for Ondo will be nice at 0.37 and stop loss at 0.24, but let's wait and see what today's candle will look like. And what about Zcash? Zcash is a sell. We need a structure to get back into Zcash. You can stay away from it. And now let's move into the meme token. And if you look at the meme coins, you'll see that the meme coins are not really doing the most. And look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not a buy yet. Shiba Inu, yes, Shiba Inu drop into the buy. See, and this is what I'll normally tell you, that whenever I drop into the buy, I don't like the one that will just touch the tip of the entry. I like it to dive into the entry. So Shiba is not a buy yet. You can stay away from it. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe actually dropped into the buy zone as well, but it's the tip and it's been doing well. So excuse me, I think Pepe is not really looking bad. Let's take a look at Popcat. The same thing is a buy. I think most of the meme token, they've dropped into the buy zone. Only altcoins we are waiting for. See, Millennia also drop into the buy zone and shoot up from there. Take a look, but Notcoin has not dropped into the buy zone. Deep is creating a new low, but right now we need a structure to continue buying deep, so you might want to stay away from that. All right, let's take a look at X. X also, we need X. Actually, you can see, excuse me, we have a pullback and the market has dropped down to create a new low, so we're gonna wait for structure to get into X. What about Swamp? Swamp is still a buy. If you remember, since last year I told you anytime the market is somehow, Swamp moves a lot. So Swamp is still a buy. We're gonna hold on to that. And now let's take a look at gold. Yesterday I told you gold is a buy, entry at 4,513, and you can see it's creating a new all-time high. So if you're still trading gold, gold is still a buy. If you're trading gold, gold is still a buy. And that's what I have for you on the charts analysis. Today, let's now check what is going on with the market itself. And if you look at what is going on in the market itself, you find out that the cryptocurrency market cap now is now at 3.2 trillion US dollars. We've gained a little bit more of that. So I think 121 billion trading volume is not bad for what we're seeing, but I expected us to see a little bit of rally, something crazy to happen this year. Especially a lot of people believe we're going to have a super cycle, just like the CEO or the former CEO but co-founder of Binance, I'm talking about CZ, said that we're gonna have a super cycle. But like I always tell you guys, we do what the chart tells us. And if you look at the top 10 cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is still number 1, Ethereum are number 2, Tether number 3, XRP number 4, BNB number 5, Solana number 6, USDC number 7, Tron number 8, Lido Stick number 9, and Dogecoin at number 10. Those are the top 10 cryptocurrency right now. Guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get the best out of the best. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on X, you can follow me on TikTok, you can follow me on Instagram, and so on and so forth, depending on where you're watching from. All right, guys, good to have you guys back. And like I said, I'm still looking for the perfect time on how we're gonna move. And if you look at the trade today, the time frame is a little bit pumping, and if you see, since the market opened, the market has been pumping up. Are we going to survive this, or this is going to drop down? We are definitely going to know what we need to do about that. All right, till the show we come back fully and everything arranged, I just said I should drop this update for you guys regarding the show, so you can know what you have to do with your portfolio. As you all know, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. And you're tuning to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. As you all know, my name remains the same. I'm Ahmed Majid Kazim, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you tomorrow on another update, because the show is coming, and the reason why we've not started the full show yet is because we are trying to change the time. You understand? The name of the show is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, but we normally record it early in the morning, and it doesn't work with the algorithm and a lot of people knowing about it. So we are trying to see what time will fit the show, or probably we change the name of the show. And I'm telling you, you guys can't wait to see what I have in stock for you. But thanks for joining me as well today, and always, please stay away from trouble, trade well, and remember, it's not how many trades you take, but how much money you make. Until I see you next time.